brother, welcome back to my channel. So today is a travel vlog and we are here at the Mactan International Airport Terminal 2 and we're bound to Korea. Thanks very much Cebu Pacific and Klook for making moments happen. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share peace and love. Walay sain kay. Nadala ko sa kong luggage. Let's go! So we're now complete and we are about to check in here at Cebu Pacific Station here at Terminal 2. It's my first time here sa departure area kay last time nako sa arrival area atong nabot ko sa US before. And right now, this is my first time here sa departure area. Pero I think sa Masanaro, pinili mo sa direct, sige mo sa international flight, di ba? Third time. Third time, grabe. Ikaw na gano'n. Si Lou, sige na siya laag sa gawas. This is Lou of Binibining Cebu. Heritage. Mag-check-in namin sa mo ang mga baggage o secure sa mga boarding pass. And we're complete! Anyong hasayo! Si J.A.O. Gumaw yo. Actually, marunong ako libawaan ba lang? Well, that was seamless. Siyempre, Cebu Pacific good, di ba? Let's go! Hey guys, so muna namin yung security check and immigration. So we're heading now to our gate, but it's still early. So it's still 1:45 and our boarding time would be 3 o'clock and because our flight is 3:30. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Hapdos akong tiyan kay mura kong gi-hyper itong sa akong kape ganyan pero iinom na ko. Akong girot na po ang 1 liter nga tubig sa Nalgene pero I think wala lang niya. Pero I don't think pero ambot lang nakabakit ka ng kuan dito kanang drugstore okay. Palit ko og Colonel S. Baka kayo gumasta.
Tago na ka sa ano, sa bush kay ano na siya, hill na siya.
Mana?
Yeah, unsa may ano nimo? Unsa ka?
Unsa man? Ako feel ako pinalasan ko dyan siguro kamatay. My god.
Sa ko. Ay, dili ko MVP.
Dili. Battle grade what's wrong eh? Exciting! How are you feeling right now?
Exciting!
Welcome aboard. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michelle and together with my team, welcome aboard Cebu Pacific.
I could stay like this, forever following you.
Hey guys, so we have an early meal right now. So what you got?
We got fish escabeche.
How about you?
Same.
Fish escabeche. And I got the chicken sisig, so we're gonna try it out. Actually, it's my first time eating here in Cebu Pacific flight. So let's go check it out. If you guys are going to Korea and when you're taking Cebu Pacific, make sure to order in-flight meals. I got chicken sisig, she got fish escabeche, so you will get this amazing food. So go check it out. Oh no, this is it. Welcome to Korea. Tugnaw. 6 degrees. Wait, tugnaw. Wow, t-shirt na dry fit. Welcome to Korea, everybody. Hey guys, so we got our SIM finally and we're trying to insert it now. Tsaka English ba? We got it through Klook, so it's very convenient and wala tayo hassle ikabot rin sa airport. Igo na lang ka magpakita sa mga voucher and then claim the SIM. They'll give you some user guide. The SIM is my phone. I'm gonna insert it right now to test if it works or not. Yes, I finally got my data. Kitexan ko pina-Korean so di ko kasabot pero bahala na, let's go! Kita na. Let's go to gate 5 to claim our Discover Seoul Pass. Also book through Klook app. So if you don't want nga maghasol-hasol pa mo diri sa maghasol-hasol diri sa Korea, if maglaag mo diri, please
Klook it, book it.
Yes, we got it, Klook it, book it.
I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it.
Okay, so we are so excited for our tour here in Seoul, Korea because we got the Discover Seoul Pass. We booked it through Klook app. It's very convenient and wala rin hassle kayo dito sa airport. We just show our voucher, our passport, and they give their pass already. Yeah.
Taking advantage of the very fast Wi-Fi.
So wala ko na-inform nga amazing race dahil ni guys. So magdali ka. Namiya na sila. What's the amazing race? We're actually looking for the input machine for the Aerox because that's what's gonna be our transportation from here at the airport going to Seoul. And it's already past 10 and I'm already hungry. Next spot. So we got our pass for Aerox and thanks again for Klook. Welcome to the outside world. It's already cold out.
Oh, I can feel it already.
Yeah, this is what we want.
Ang pwesto sa maleta.
Nagaling ko sa itong seat.
Asa man? 1? Sige po sa ito mo yung 1. 3 pa man eh.
Wala mo ito, manglingkod na lang na.
Pwede na ito din.
Going to Seoul. Time check, it's already 12 midnight and we're still not yet in our hotel and we're kind of lost and don't know where to go. Welcome to the outside world. Go, Senene, go, no. Gambante ko na say. Oh my god.
We made it, guys.
We made it. So we're finally outside and we're going to find our way to the hotel. It's already midnight. Gutom namin. So it's already 2 degrees Celsius, guys. And we are out here in the streets walking. Among giguyod ang mga bag. Gipangguyod ang mga bag. And we're tired already. Yung sayo mataog ba, master?
Ha?
Yung sayo mataog ba?
Yeah. Hello, cute ba? Ano?
Asa man?
Hello, pwede man tulo diri di ay, no?
Pwede bitaw.
Hello, cute.
Before they nakoy end. Ako ang kuan magic ointment.
Kabaw na ako.
Oh, lami.
Hair point na din siya.
Oh.
So,
Omega master. Ano to? Alay. Share, peace, and love.